In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transition teams to Airtable. We'll start by logging into Airtable on desktop so you can see the full workspace. Before touching anything, decide on the base structure your team will use. Think about how work flows today, what you track, who needs to see it, and the outcomes you care about. A clear structure up front saves time later and makes onboarding smoother. Create a team base by selecting Add a Base and choosing Start from Scratch. Give the base a clear, searchable name that matches your team or project so people know exactly where to go. This becomes the home for your tasks, projects, and team information. Inside the base, set up core tables for tasks, projects, team members, and goals or milestones. Tasks capture the day-to-day work. Projects group related tasks. Team members holds the people list you'll link to. Goals or milestones help you anchor outcomes and key dates. This setup gives you collaboration, traceability, and a single source of truth. Now configure fields so your team can work efficiently. In tasks, add a task name as a single line text. Create assign to as a linked record to team members so responsibilities are always connected to a person. Add status as a single select with to do, in progress, and done, and priority with low, medium, and high. Include a due date field using the date type and a completed checkbox for quick reporting. For projects and goals, include name, status, start and end dates, and a linked tasks field so you can roll up progress across work streams. Color coding single selects can make scans and stand-ups faster. Invite your team using the share button in the top right corner. Send invitations by email and assign permissions carefully. Give editors the ability to make changes, while commenters or viewers can follow along without altering data. This keeps your base clean and secure. Begin assigning work by linking tasks to the right team members and to their projects, so ownership is clear. If you don't already have Airtable open, use the link at the top of the description to access the website and follow along as you onboard your team. Next, create views that support daily execution. Build a My Tasks view filtered to each member's assignments. Add Today or This Week views to highlight upcoming deadlines, and a completed view to track finished items and celebrate progress. To reduce manual follow-ups, set up automations. You can send notifications when tasks are assigned and automatically update status when a task is marked complete. Start simple, test with a few records, and then roll out to the whole team. Finally, maintain the workflow with daily task updates and a weekly review to check progress and adjust priorities. That's how you can transition your team to Airtable and set up an effective onboarding workflow. Thanks for watching.